black like I'm Batman. Get buried in the sand like a motherfucking Afghan. Even the Taliban ain't ready for this rally, man. New world war order with a cat in each hand. Masking each man, ready to initiate the battle plan. Iraq to Pakistan with killing sound scan. And even in Japan, Smacky the man. And I do my own stunts like I'm Jackie Chan. What? You want the illest? Die harder than Bruce Willis? Cause we the realest, and that's why you fools feel us. The wig splitters, the real killers. Don't let us talk that shit so you can act bad with us, man. We ain't playing, we ain't fucking around. Wanna get crunk? Get crunk. Right now, right now. Get hype now, cause we put in work. So step up if you wanna get hurt. I mean right now, right now, right now, right now. You wanna fight now? You wanna fight now? You wanna fight? Bring 'em up. Fuck 'em up. Cut 'em up. Just cut 'em up. Just cut 'em up. I mean right now, right now, right now, right now. You wanna fight now? You wanna fight now? Well, let's fight. Well, it's the pimp slash hustler slash rapper slash a cutthroat. Throwing them bows and send them at you to get them at you to catch ya. But fuck all that tough talk, I'm a gangster walk off this incredible hawk. On the Bruce banner, bring up my bad manners with black bandanas and 30 round dirty brown bananas. You can't handle us, and you don't want it like that. Keep on fucking with smack, get your throwback, no hat blown back, but you already know it. Battle cries after I split your wig wide open. Paramedics bring anesthetics, but you already let it. Should've known what could happen if you ever disrespected us. Snatch a rapper by his necklace, and all your R&B pop rock bands wasn't expecting us. Respect the cuts, we put in work, so step up if you wanna get